Okay, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform testing audio. Oh, I think I have some RF coming into the radio. Oh my goodness. Hello, testing. No, don't. Hello, radio. No, it's not coming in. Hello, radio. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Okay. Good afternoon, Todd. Kilo Yankee 4 Tango Golf. Good afternoon, Cameron. And hold on one second. I have this trouble right here. It's too much audio that I'm getting into the to the radio. Okay, 14. Hello. Yeah, that's the one. That is the amount of audio that I have to put into it. Okay, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform. Good afternoon, Mr. Cameron, November 9, Kilo Oscar Papa. And good afternoon to everybody right there on the chat. Well, everybody, you and you, only two friends connected at the moment. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, any station, anywhere, QRZ. Hello, CQ20. Hello, CQ20 meter. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, W7 Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ. Okay, Delta India, WA2 Delta India. Is that correct, Paul?
And I'm running 10 watts into a half-wave 40-meter dipole, which is good for also 20 meters.
Wow, you're doing that. You're doing a great job, Paul, with the 10 watts QRP. Congratulations, you're sounding great here in Cutler Bay, Florida. My name is Alex, America London Echo X-Ray, and I'm located 21 miles south of Miami International Airport. So, well, congratulations on that. What radio you say you have on it?
Okay, Alex, I have the ICOM 705, and we just got it a couple of days ago, and I'm trying to run it through the band to make sure it's working.
Okay, that's perfect. Thank you so much, and I appreciate the QSO with 10 watts, man. That is amazing. Thank you very, very much for that. By the way, if you want to listen your voice and see your signal, you can go to YouTube right now. Okay, you can go to the YouTube right now and actually type my call sign, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, and you'll be able to see your signal and listen your audio as well, Paul. Whiskey America 2 Delta Italy, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
Okay, very good, Alex. Well, you're coming in real good here, and band conditions it looks like it's more than 10 watts on my CowStar. I'm going right through the tuner because the antenna is resonant. So 73, thanks for the contact, and good luck with more contacts. WA2DII, back to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Paul. I appreciate the contact, and you are in the log, sir. I appreciate that. 73 is for you and your family right there. All the best. WA2 Delta Italy, QRP with 10 watts. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform. 73, Paul. My pleasure. Bye-bye.
73.
Okay, thank you so much. And guys, don't forget that I'm actually sharing a link into my live stream right now on the chat, and click on there and you will be able to register to win the DMR radio. I'm giving away a DMR radio, which is going to be on Monday. And, well, you have a chance to register once a day to win that DMR radio. So, well, if you guys enter in there, good luck. And I hope, I hope to send that to a known person. That would be great if somebody that I know will win that. So I know many people are getting into it, but anyway, that is awesome to know that somebody will win eventually. All right, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, W7 Hotel United from Cutler Bay, Florida. Any station, anywhere, QRZ. Who is the Romeo Delta?
Kilo Delta 9, Mike Romeo Delta.
Okay, Kilo Delta 9, Mike Romeo Delta. Okay, good afternoon, my friend. Thank you so much for coming back, Michael, for the fourth time. And I know you're in Wisconsin, so propagation is not wide open yet, but I'm copying you very clear over here. And talk to me again, and I will tell you a signal report. Kilo Delta 9, Mike Romeo Delta, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
QSL there, say the name is Chuck. We got above 0F today, so we're all celebrating. You're coming in here a 5.9, and then I'm getting waves of QRN that go from nothing to about a 5.8. So that's just the band, I guess. How's my signal, Alex? Over?
Okay. Well, your signal is 5 and 9 as well. 59 at the moment. 5 and 9 over here. And like I said, my name is Alex, America London Echo X-Ray. And I'm right now I'm live streaming on my YouTube channel, like always, Shock. And I don't know if you know that I'm giving away a DMR radio. I'm giving away a DMR radio, which is a Baufin, that I'm going to give that away on Monday, the 15th, which is going to be in 3 days from now. And you can go to YouTube and go to the chat part there and look for that link that I'm sharing and register once a day. Make sure you register once a day. I see a lot of friends that are registering 2 or 3 times, and of course we have to pure them and then let only one entry per day. But that's a little bit of the work that I have for my friend Cameron right there, that he's actually every day checking that the people don't put the codes twice. Just in case. So we do that. We have to play fair. All right. Thank you so much, Chuck, for the contact. And like I said, you are 5 and 9. Beautiful signal. Over.
Yeah. Thank you, Alex. You're steady 5.9 here. Excited a little bit. I wish I was down where you are, nice and warm and walking around outside, but this is what we were dealt the cards for this last couple of weeks. So 73, and hey, thanks from everybody for the radio giveaway. 73.
Thank you so much, and enjoy, and good luck. Good luck. We'll see who is the winner when. Nice. Thank you. And I want to say hello also to Mr. Eric, who is watching right now, Kilo Delta 2, Hotel Delta, Hotel Whiskey Delta, in Andy Rab. Hello, Andy. Thank you so much for stopping by. And like always, pleasure, brother. All right. 73 is Chuck. Bye-bye. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ.
Kilo 4 Romeo Hotel Sierra.
Kilo 4 Romeo Hotel Sierra. Go ahead, sir. Booming signal today.
Yeah, you know it's booming when I'm at the QTH there. We just got in from Orlando.
Oh, man. What a signal. What a signal, Ray. I wonder if Judel is here today, and then he will try to make a QSO with you. Over.
Yeah, Roger. We'll stand by.
I don't know if Judel is here. Do you want to call him to see if he's here?
Yeah. What is it? Papa Victor? I forgot the call.
Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. Over.
Yeah, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. This is Kilo 4 Romeo Hotel Sierra, Miami, Florida. You out there giving you a call there?
Oh, okay. I just called him right now, and he told me that he's cooking. He's cooking right now. Today is cooking day for him. Over.
Roger that, Alex. I'll be right here.
Okay, yes, he maybe will come here in a few seconds. He have the beef on the stove and the rice already on the rice cooker. Over.
Roger, Roger.
Okay, well, thank you so much, man. And I wanted to say hello to Cloud of Victor Echo 2, Yankee Italy in cold Canada. And Mr. Justin, Kilo 4 Lima Echo November. Hello, Justin. Yesterday, my son was, my older son subscribed to your channel as well. I told him, look at this guy, and he said, well, that's very interesting, He's not very involved right now into the ham radio things because he just got married, and but he's watching the streams. And, my little one subscribed to you a while ago when you first started. And of course, I did. And then my older one, I just subscribed. He's Kilo November 4, Japan Tango, Quebec. Okay? So, my friend. So your channel is growing little by little, but it's great. It's very, very great, Mr. Justin. Okay, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Let me see. Jadel, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. Are you back? No, Jadel is not here yet. Okay, Ray, don't go. Stay here. He will be back in a couple minutes, okay? All right, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, any station, anywhere. QRZ.
Victor Echo 2 Yankee Italy.
Victor Echo 2 Yankee Italy. Hello, sir. How you doing? You're 5 and 9, 59 like always.
Okay, very good, Alex. Yeah, you're doing quite well yourself as well. Their conditions are changing slightly. The band is getting longer, I think. But you're right. It's kind of cool here. Mind you, it's warmed up with the sun and all that this afternoon. It's presently minus 12 degrees C, which is 10 degrees Fahrenheit. But this morning it was like minus 20 C, and that was minus 3 Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's warming up, but I think tomorrow's a little bit colder yet, and then we're going to start getting a little bit warmer time there. But mid Canada and the northwest there, my younger son lives out in Calgary. It was about minus 40 or minus 45. And we have a farm out in Hythe, Alberta. It was also nasty cold there. So slowly but surely that polar vortex certainly doing its job there. W7HU in the warm Florida climate. This is VE2YI Montreal.
Okay, VE2YI, Whiskey 7 Hotel United returning. Thank you so much, Cloud, for the content. Let me put you in the log. VE2YI. Thing is, I talk to you so often that sometimes I don't put you in the log. And I missed the other day, the QSO with you. And I believe you put in your log the thing, or I don't know if it was from you or from another friend. And I see that on the QRZ request, so I have to go to that day and see the timing, and then put the frequency and the time to make sure they match. Over.
Yeah, okay. I'll let you do that, no problem. But if you need help, I can look. I know I sometimes don't log you as well. I log through HRD, Ham Radio Deluxe, but I also look at the QRZ page there, since many guys tend to request to go there. So yeah, it's a lot of fun, and when I get a chance, I do that once in a while there, QSO.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, man. And like I say, well, I didn't realize that you have the 7610 as well. Now looking at the pictures, I see that you have the 7610 and the little brother, the 7300, and the 101 and the Flex. Man, how many radios do you have?
Well, I got two 7610s, two 7300s. I got the 705, I got the FTDX101D, and the 6400. I just shipped, I sold today the 9100, the 5100, the TS830 that I had, and what else? Two other radios. I just brought them to my old office to ship, actually. Some of it's going out towards Toronto, some is going out to Halifax, a couple are going out Winnipeg and Calgary. Yeah, lots of stuff there. I've been, I don't know, maybe you look at KWARC, KWARC.org. It's the Ontario Swap Shop, and I post a lot of stuff there that you know, I try to pass on there. My garage is getting emptier, but it's still got a lot of stuff. So, you know, some little things that I don't use anymore. I figure other people can make use of them.
Oh wow, that's great. That's great, man. Well, that's so many radios. 2 of these and 2 of that. That's crazy. I have one, and I believe I put too much money on it. You know, hey, before I let you go, Cloud, can you tell me an audio report? I wanted to know if you listen any kind of RFI into my modulation, because I put this new ferrite over here. You don't see it yet, but let me do this. You see this ferrite? And, of course, I have another one right on the back of the thing by the entrance of these, you know, Focusrite box. And I wanted to know if you heard any kind of RF on my modulation. Over?
No, I don't detect any RF on your modulation at all. I can't say that, you know, you're not 40 over 9, so that it's not like a signal that's right next door, and that maybe I could detect something. But on your signal presently, I'm looking on the scope here, and I see nothing at all. In fact, if you try just one more time, I'll just change my screen here, and I'll look at combination here and see if there's any distortion. Go ahead.
Okay, well, I just put a little bit more of the audio into the master fader. I put a little bit more of the audio right there, and I don't know if you notice anything. That it should be sounding something, because I actually give the little bit more hello of the audio, and I don't know if you noticed that, but now I'm listening that I don't have any. I have to just put more intensity of the monitor there, more volume to detect if I have or no. But with the 14% that I have the monitor right now, I won't listen to anything that is coming like an RF or something, you know. I believe it's actually great. But I wanted to listen that from somebody that is listening to me over the air. And the other thing that I wanted to know is if you are listening the highs, because the one problem, the one reason that I use in this Focusrite audio processor is because myself, I don't have high frequencies in my modulation. So I was wondering to see if I can actually make a present of those high modulations in my modulation. And I don't know if you noticed that, but, you know, let's see. I was talking a lot, and that way you will tell me if I actually have, you know, any highs, or if you see any RFI into my modulation. Back to you, V2 Yankee Italy, Whiskey 7 Hotel Unit.
Yeah, okay, very good, Alex. Well, I don't see any RFI whatsoever. The audio is good. I'm actually listening about 4.5 kilohertz wide, and looking at the both the audio oscilloscope and the actual bandwidth, if you will, of I see that you're modulating just under 3 kilohertz. I'm modulating you're just over 3 kilohertz, just a touch over, and you know you don't have any artifacts, no distortion or anything like that. You've got a little bit more bass than you do maybe the mids. The highs are okay; they're pretty equal to the bass. Maybe you could increase the mids just a touch. I'm I'm looking at mine, and I think mine looks pretty good. But you might comment on my audio as well. I'm just a touch over 3 kilohertz right now. Certainly I can increase it, but no, I like it to keep this way, and maybe you can just comment on my audio as well. So back to you there, Alex. W7HU, V2YI.
Okay, B2YI, W7 Hotel Uniform returning. Well, I listened to your audio pretty well. I like it. In fact, you got a very nice audio, and well, if you say that I don't have any distortion or anything, I will run that like that, you know. I try to do as much as I can to make the modulation sounds better. And these ferrites, they're not cheap, but I believe they're doing their job. That's excellent. That's excellent. I think I have to order 2 more because I have the other ones that now looks like a toy into the side of this one, you know, because this one is a pretty big one, and the other ones looks like they're cheap. Over.
No, okay. Well, it depends which ones you have. Are they snap-on? Are they circular or basically rectangular snap-on? Over.
Yes, if you're watching the live stream, look at it, and it's right there. I bought it from a guy in Salt Lake City, Utah. Over.
Okay, I'm looking here. Show me where it is. And I'm trying to see. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. I see what it is. Okay, well that's fine. That's a snap-on, and you've got it 3 or 4 times. Well, you should have one there. That's fine, right at the mic connector. But you might. I don't know if you have another one at the input of your radio or at the output of the processor. You know, because the microphone, I guess, is going into your processor, so you might have it. It might be better to have that one. Well, it's fine there too, I suppose. But you can experiment a little bit. What's important is that you don't have any RF getting into the mic, although there's normally a capacitor or some protection there, maybe little ferrites internal as well. But as you go into the processor, then it may need some help because it's those processors are basically for audio, so they're not normally necessarily next to RF. So you might put that on the input lead at the input of the processor, and maybe one on the output as it goes to the radio. And that way you can experiment a little bit and don't have to waste your money. But I mean, if normally they're not all that expensive. Depends on the mix of the ferrite there, 31 whatever it is. I forget. I have to look there. I forget the ratio. But there's a couple of different ones, 31 or 56 or something, and they're all very good. One of those is, and I'm sure the one you have is very good. But what's important is to find the spot where you need them. Otherwise, you're going to have one there. You're going to have one at the input, one at the output, et cetera, and you may not need all of those. QSL.
Oh yes, well I have it from the guy. The guy's website is Kilo Fox 7 Papa Metal Greg, and they're good. They're good. They're not cheap though, but they're good quality. And yes, I'm actually sharing now the web right there. And you see, he also sells RF chalk and ferrite and everything. The one that I got was this one here. Okay, so this one, which is $14.95. So when you add the shipping cost, and well, it wasn't too bad. It was $30-some. So not bad. I ordered 2. I believe I have to order another 2. And this sounds great because if you show again, I'm going to show you again. On the entrance of the microphone, I have this snap-on, but they're smaller than these. So I rather to take this one and put it on the microphone right here, and this one close to the radio right there. How about that? Do you think it will work better?
Well, I don't know about working better, but I have a whole bunch of them here as well. And I had them installed all over the place at one point in time, especially with the older amplifiers. Of course, I had the Alpha, and a couple of them do 2 kilowatts or more. And sometimes, depending on the cables that you use, RF cables that is, sometimes there could be some leakage and things. Your audio, radio cables, and what have you pass right next to it and all that. So it was important. Sometimes I would get some RF, but since I use the Mercury, I have nothing. No problem whatsoever. you got to make sure you got a reasonable ground. I'm going to say good ground, but then again, let's call it a reasonable ground, and some shielding between the switches and the radios and stuff like that. And the chap that you're using there, it's fine. It's funny because I was looking at his site this morning actually for some of the devices that he has clamping on masts and holding different arrangements of coaxial cables and grounding and stuff. But there's another site that I've seen the different ferrites. Then again, the ferrites on the other side are more for winding. Like 49-to-1 balance and stuff like that, but he also has some of these snap-ons, and it seems to me they were less expensive. But then, you pay, you get what you pay for. Put it that way. And the ones that you've got there are certainly very, very good. So don't worry about that. What's important is just to move it and see whether or not you need it at the place that you have it. Otherwise, you're going to have them all over the place, and you don't absolutely necessarily need them there. So you got to check with different people and yourself there, see if you're detecting any RF. But certainly sounding very, very good right now. And like the only thing I would say, maybe if you want to on your processor, you might try to increase around the 2 kilohertz range, because that's where you kind of have a dip. Down below a kilohertz, you're fine, and up above 2500 or 2300, you're pretty good. It's right around 2000, you're a little bit low. There's a little bit of a dip there. So you might try to increase it there just for the fun of it. Not that it's going to give you better audio, but it would give you more rounded audio, perhaps. Back to you, Alex. W7HU V2YI.
Okay, B2YI, Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Well, yes, as you saw the web page, that's the ferrite, I think is 31. It's the rated 31, so sounds great. I mean, I like the way that it's constructed. It's very solid, so it's very good. Well, I have RF5 with the Focusrite. If I don't have the Focusrite and I have the microphone straight to the Kenwood, I never had RF5 problem. Not even with I didn't have a ferrite even with the microphone. The thing is, when I add the Focusrite, they're a little bit tricky. They ate, out of RF from everywhere. So I think I gotta get 2 more and put one on the power cable that goes to the Focusrite. The problem here is the Focusrite. It's not the amp and it's not the radio. It's the Focusrite, the one that is getting the RFI. Over.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense. That's oftentimes the PCs and all of the inputs there, whether it be USB or otherwise, oftentimes require. So I've used some larger ferrites that I've wrapped multiple things around, maybe, in fact, sometimes you can put multiples, for example, on the, either on the, what do you call it, the RG, oh gosh, I was going to say RG58, but the RG45, things like that, wrap several of them around there and so on. But again, depending on the size of the ferrite you have, you can only put so many turns. So sometimes just adding 2 or 3 of them in series really cuts down on the RF there. But other than that, I don't suppose you have really any problem because you're sounding real good. And I guess maybe it's more with anything responding to the computer and video upload and all that kind of stuff, I presume. So, okay, I'll let you carry on, Alex. You're sounding real good. Thanks for the short QSO, and we can pick it up another time. You're certainly sounding very, very good. QSO.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Cloud. Like always, it's a pleasure for me talking to you, and always very intuitive, and I learn a lot from you all the time. I know you're multitasking, designing and a lot of things, so I appreciate everything that you did for me in the past, what you did today, and I know what you're going to do for me in the future also, because you're a good source of information and a great guy. So thank you very much, Cloud, and 73 is my pleasure. Bye-bye.
Okay, same here, Alex. don't be shy if you have anything. And I have been communicating with Kenny, by the way, there, and we might do something here in Canada for him. Hi. We'll let you know. Anyway, it's for now. It's not anything serious, but it might come about. You never know. He's right now he's got a 90-day waiting time for guys that place orders. So I was telling him that he's got to shape up and make it better. And I think he's invested there, and soon we'll be able to turn things around much quicker. Okay, 73, have a good one. VE2Y, I'll be standing by for a couple of minutes, and then probably QSY. Bye-bye, Alex. Thanks.
Okay, bye-bye. Well, that'll be amazing. Yes, he have one of those, I say is a robot, actually, who do the thing, the pick and plate machine that costs a lot of money and everything. He's investing, and he does everything with his hands. So, make the kids all the boards with hand and double checking everything takes time. That's why, and he have a lot of orders, so that's why. But I'm telling you, I wait 2 months for mine, and if I have to wait 3 months for another one, I will wait, because that makes sense, man, to wait for this baby here. So thank you, and 73 is Claude, and all the best. Bye-bye now. Ciao, amigo.
73, bye-bye.
Okay, I wanted to say hello to all the guys that I'm watching right there on the chat. John, November 4, Echo, Japan, Mexico. Also, Papa Zulu 2, Yankee Tango, Kilo Yankee 4, Tango Golf. And Abel, Echo America A, X-Ray November X-Ray. Andy received my QSL card. Thank you so much. Whiskey 2 Romeo Alpha Papa. And Rick, Kilo 4 Romeo India Charlie. And Todd, the other Todd as well, Tony. And Trosten, my good friend Trosten, Delta Echo 2 Tango Romeo Fox from Germany. Hello, Trosten. And Tony, Echo America 6 Alpha Delta Oscar from the Baleares Island. And thank you so much for all of you guys. Judel, if you are in the air, I would love to know if you're copying me. Judel, are you copying me by any chance?
Yes, I'm copying you now, but I have a lot of noise, over.
Okay, yeah, let me see if my friend Ray is here. He wanted to talk to you, and actually he was very strong. Let me ask for him. Hey, Ray, are you here, brother?
Yeah, Roger, on that. I'm standing by listening to you there. Udell, Papa Zulu 2, Yankee Tango, Kilo 4, Romeo Hotel Sierra. How you doing there?
Do you copy, Udell?
Papa Zulu 2, Yankee Tango. Hello, Raymond. This is our second contact, my friend. I copy you very good, very strong here, over.
Yeah, Roger, likewise. You're 5'9" into my QTH there. But yesterday I was working remote over the internet, 100 watts over end-fed antenna. So we're back at the QTH in Cutler Bay. And we got the hex beam pointed directly towards you. Got the 100 banded running, and 1.2 kilowatt there pointing towards you there. I'm glad we're sounding good there. Go ahead.
Yeah, I can see here. You are 10 overnight. 10 overnight. Very strong and nice audio, Raymond. Very strong today, my friend. Kilo 4 Romeo Hotel Sierra from Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango.
Roger, 73s. I'm sure we'll talk again. Udell, Papa Zulu 2, Yankee Tango. We'll let Alex have the frequency, and we'll talk again. Ciao, ciao.
73, my friend. Bye-bye.
Okay, that was a great QSO. Udell, I put my antenna turf to your location. Are you copying me, sir?
Yes, you are also 59 plus now, over.
Okay, Udell, well, you are in the log. I put you in the log again. Well, let's call in company. Let me turn my antenna to the north, and I will continue to call, and you'll be right here, okay?
Okay, Roger, but I have a lot of QRM here. I don't know if I will copy every people here, over.
That's okay. You take whatever you copy.
Let me check if Giselle hears me, Alex.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, Giselle, Papa Zulu 2, Yankee Tango. We've talked several times before, but I just figured I'd say hello. How you doing, and do you copy me okay, over?
Yes, I'm copying you, sir. Give me the call sign.
Victor Echo to Yokohama, India, QSL.
Roger, Victor Echo 2, Yokohama, India. Cloud, you are 59. I have a direct line with Canada, over.
Yes, sir, you certainly do. While you have warm weather, we have cold weather, so we attract. 7-3, my friend. I don't want to hold up, Alex. You guys enjoy. Have a great, great day. 73.
7-3, bro. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, no, that's okay. That's okay. That's why he's here. We're here to contact as many friends as we can and live streaming at the same time on YouTube. And the guys that I'm watching right now, if you're not registered to win the DMR radio, please just share a link right now and click on that link and register to win the this DMR radio that I'm giving away on Monday. And unfortunately, it's only for the U.S. station in Puerto Rico because I know custom and international package are a headache right now to ship international. Okay, this is Whiskey 7, Hotel Uniform and Company, QRZ.
KB2 UKA.
Kilo Bravo 2, United Kilowatt America. Doug, how's it going, brother? You're 5 and 9 plus, 59 plus, like always.
What's up, Alex? Doing well. You are 5 and 9 plus yourself, sounding great. I hope you had a great week. We had a long week up here, winded down. I'm taking Monday off. I hope you and your wife and family have a great Valentine's Day. And man, oh man, you're sounding good up here. Over.
Roger, brother. Roger. So you like the audio? The audio is like always, or is a little bit better, or how you like it? Because I did some change since a couple of days, but now I put the ferrites on it, and sounds for me that is a little bit different than before. Go ahead, my brother from the URBAM Bean. I know you will have the URBAM Bean by the summit. Over.
Roger. Yeah, well, I have the roof tower coming in March, so once all the snow melts, I'll get that up. I'm probably going to order the urban beam in March, and then it'll get here in April, and we'll get it up. I got a couple of buddies that are going to come over and help me assemble it. I know it's a very long assembly, but I want to make sure it's done right. And your audio sounds great, but my good headphones are not charged, so I'm on a crappy pair right now, so I can't give you an actual good comparison, but you sound great through this crappy pair of headphones I'm on. Over.
Okay, well, that's great. You're live streaming also?
Yeah, Roger, I am live streaming, so you'll be able to hear your audio back, my friend. Over.
Oh yes, I will love to hear that, especially today that I have the new thing right here. I'm looking at our live stream right now, so you are on camera. You see, I want you to talk to Mr. Judel in Suriname to see if he's copying you right there in South America. Over.
All right, let's see. Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. My good friend Tudel, do you copy KB2 UKA? Over.
Douglas, hello, my friend. You are 59. 59 on the same audio like always. Very strong, very good. Kilo Bravo 2 UKA from Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. Over.
Tudel, you are 5'8" to 5'9", sounding fantastic, my friend. Fantastic. I hope you and your wife and your daughter have a great Valentine's Day in Suriname. I hope you really, really enjoy it. You're sounding really, really good, my friend. Over.
Hey, yes, tomorrow is my wife's birthday, and after tomorrow is Valentine. I think I will have to go to the bank to do something because all my money is gone. Over.
Yeah, Roger, because now she needs a birthday present and she needs a Valentine's present. Good thing she wasn't born on Christmas Day. Over.
Yes, Roger. Okay, say hello there to your family. Enjoy with your wife and your kids. Kilo Bravo 2 UKA Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. Bye, bro.
Bye, my friend. You have a great weekend. All right, Alex. Well, when is your big drawing for the handheld? Over.
It's going to be on Monday at 22 Zulu, 5 o'clock Eastern Time. So if you're off on Monday, that will be the big day. Over.
Roger, Roger, yeah. I believe, yeah, Monday there's nothing with the kids. I will be on your live stream most likely at 5 p.m. on Monday. I'm very, very excited. Very, very excited. I know whoever wins it is going to really appreciate it. DMR is a lot of fun, especially when propagation is not good. You could do a lot of fun stuff with the DMR radio. Over.
Oh, yes, man. I have a DMR radio. Too bad I don't have a hotspot right now. I sent it to a good friend of mine. You maybe imagine who is. He's now the king of the DMR, and I'm just a learner right now. Over.
Yeah, Roger. I'm holding up the Yaesu FT3D. Hold on. Let's see. There it is. I play around with it sometimes. It's fun to take to the park, and I keep it in my car with me, and I have a couple of repeaters over here that are connected to Wires X and Fusion. So, yeah, I'm able to talk all around the world on that handheld. Over.
Oh, yes, that's amazing. I used to have a FT2, but I didn't use it. So, when I was actually getting money to pay for my antenna, so I sold it along with the FT400 Delta radio, you know, with the FTM 400. I didn't use the 2-meter 440 much, and then I decided to sell that to make the cover. You know, the antenna was not cheap, Over.
No, it's not cheap, not cheap. That's the only thing I'm worried about, Alex, is the cold, cold winters up here and the snow. But I know that in a big snowstorm, I can retract the elements, and then it'll just flop in the wind. It'll just be fiberglass flapping in the wind, right? Over?
That's correct. That's the good thing. And imagine this. That product is made in America, okay? They made that here in America. And you know what? Which state? Washington State. You know how much of a cold temperature and, you know, wind and snow and ice and sleets. And they're not having that product since yesterday. They've been over a decade in the market. So if you buy a product from STEPPIR, at the beginning, maybe you have some problem with the motors and everything, but now they're being upgrading and advancing and fixing every single thing. In other words, they use pretty much the same motor for everything. They designed the body and the stuff, but the IIIS-TS890 is pretty much well advanced right now. And like I say, if you put your money now on that antenna, you will love to put it, because every single penny that you invest on that antenna, you will get that back in enjoyment and reception and transmission and directionality, and you will enjoy the antenna. So I have many antennas through my life as a ham radio operator since back in 1993 when I was 13 years old, and I'm 40, and almost 41. So I believe, in my own opinion, this is the best antenna that I ever owned. And the other one that I owned that was a great antenna, but I cannot have an antenna like that, is the Sommer. I used to have the Sommer XP507, which was a low periodic 8-element Yagi from 40 to 10 meter band, and that antenna was the best antenna that I ever had. But of course, in this position, with this condition, with the HOA and everything, the URBAM beam is the best investment that I can do. Back to you, KV2 UKA, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union.
Yeah, Roger. I'm not in an HOA, but I don't want something too big, and it looks like it's going to be perfect. Alex, you know, I'm going to be 41 too. We're the same age. My birthday's in June, my friend. My birthday's in June. I'm going to be 41, so I'm 40 right now. So we are connected in many ways. I was watching. Are you using a ball and choke on the STEPPIR? Over.
No, I'm not using it.
All right, Roger, so you just have it coax fed, no coil, nothing?
No. Straight like that. You know, somebody told me you could do that if you want. I could do it, but it's working like that, and I don't have any problem with RFI in anywhere. I don't have interference in any of the TVs, radio, headset, telephone, anything. And you know, so I maybe could do it. I could make a shock with 6 inches, making a shock like eight rounds around, and I can make that with the coax. But I don't think I need it. Over.
No, the only reason you would need it is if you were getting RFI. And obviously you don't have to worry about SWR because you'll just adjust the element to whatever frequency you're on to get the best SWR rating. And then on your camera right now, is that the regular controller or is that the upgraded controller? Over?
No, that's the SDA2000. It's the upgraded controller. The regular controller is coming by defect with the antenna. Okay, when you buy the antenna, you don't buy the controller separate. I thought that you buy the controller. The antenna has the price, and if you want to have the other controller, it's the price of the controller. So when you check the price, you say, well, but what is the difference? So they actually when they explained it to me that they actually give you the controller with the antenna because they are not selling you the antenna out of the basic controller, which is the FD100, SDA100. So if you want the other one, then it will cost you more. But they give you a discount compared with the price that they sell it by itself. It is discounted. Over.
Okay, yes, I saw that. And do you have the controller set up to track the frequency on the radio, or do you manually adjust it?
No. I have the cable, of course. I bought all the extras. Okay, I bought the cable who go from the controller to the radio, who follow the radio, and I also bought the thing that also goes to the Mercury, and in case that I'm moving the antenna. If the antenna is adjusting by any chance, and if I press the PTT, that will inhibit the Mercury to pass the power into the antenna. That could be the one of the codes that the antenna will be bad, because if you excitate it with over 200 watts while it's moving the elements, then it could have a spark, and then eventually that will get bad. So for that they have a thing that it costs, I think it's $20 or less than that, $20 or $28. So I ordered that too. I ordered pretty much everything, and all the connection box, which is a little bit better, and it will give you less trouble. So I got everything. You spend more at the beginning, but you enjoy more at the end. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Before I place the order, I'll probably send you a text, and I'll tell you what I'm ordering. You tell me what I'm missing. I think that's a good idea. Like I said, I'm going to order it once the tower gets here, and it's still way too cold and too icy to go up on that garage roof. So I expect to get it up probably in April. All right, Alex, I just wanted to stop in and say hello. You sound amazing. I don't even have to look anymore at what frequency you're on. I just look at what band. If I see a 14, I look at my scope, and I have an idea where you are just based on the pan adapter. Amazing signal. Again, happy Valentine's Day to you and your family. Whiskey 7 Hotel United. I'll see you Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern. This is KB2 UKA 73.
No, that's Monday. Over.
Yes, today is Friday. I told you I had a long week. I'm very tired. Yes, Monday, 5 p.m. Eastern, the big giveaway for the Bofang DMR. Alex, thank you. KB2, UKA, I'm clear.
Okay, buddy. 73s, and then for sure, if you're still on the air while I'm finished, I will watch. And of course, I go back for the replay, and I will actually, let me go again. And click the like button there. Like button is good. So you have only 4 liking right now with mine. So great, guys. Stop by into KB2 UKA's YouTube channel and check him out. He have a great setup there, and is a good friend. And I see that Chuck is there. Chuck, hello, and good afternoon. Okay, thank you, brother. In 73 is KB2UKA, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform. 73, brother. Bye-bye.
Take care, Alex. Chuck, how you doing? I'll talk to you later. This is KB2UKA QSY. Take care.
Okay, 73 is this is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform and Company, QRZ.
Whiskey Delta 4 Alpha Bravo.
Whiskey Delta 4 Alpha Bravo, Mr. Rudy, 5 and 9 plus 20. Go ahead, brother.
Roger, how's it going, Alex? What's going on, man? What's new?
Everything is good here. I'm with Judell. Do you want to make a quick call with Judell?
Sure, I'll talk to Judell. Judell, do you have a copy of WD4AB?
Hello, my friend. How are you, Rudy?
Hey, what's going on, Judell? Got a really good copy on you. You're 5 and 9. 5 and 9 into Cutler Bay, over?
Hey, you too, bro. You too, like always, very strong. You are a rocket from there, over?
Roger. Yeah, no, I'm on the vertical today. I'm on the 5 kilowatt vertical today. I'm not on the antenna that I talked to you yesterday, so hopefully you should be copying me still pretty good. Now, you're sounding great, man. You're booming in here. 5 and 9. I hear you all the time now, 5 and 9. After you got the antenna from Alex, a big difference, man.
Okay, bro. Thank you for the contact, like always. We are here. 7-3. Bye-bye.
All righty, 73. God bless and good DX. WD4AB clear. Go ahead, Alex.
Okay. Thank you so much, man. And great contact, man. What a signal you have, Rudy. Man, when I grow up, I want to be like you. Over.
Yeah, that's just because we're close. I'm only burning 100 watts, Alex. 100 watts today. That's about it. Anyways, you guys keep on, man. You're sounding beautiful. I'm glad that you like that 890. I've been thinking about getting a new radio. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'll end up getting something soon. Let's see what happens. 73. God bless and good DX.
Okay, 73 is my pleasure. Bye-bye. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform. Any station, anywhere. QRZ.
81NZU. 81NZU.
Okay, KC1NSU. Is that correct?
It's Kilo Charlie 1 November Zulu uniform.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 1 November Zulu uniform. Eric in Massachusetts. Over.
That is correct. Yep. New-Cam. My license in October. Upgraded to general, and now I have a 7300.
Well, Eric, your congratulations for the general and congratulations for the 7300. That is one of the best radio on the market right now. And I appreciate that you stopped by here into my QTH today. My name is Alex, America London Echo X-Ray. I'm live streaming from Cutler Bay, Florida. And if you go to YouTube right now, you'll be able to listen to your voice, see your signal, and also see my ugly face. So you go there and you want to see that, Eric. And by the way, I'm in company of my good friend Judell from Suriname. And we got to ask him if he's copying you there, and you will have your first DX contact with South America. Let me ask him for a second. Judell, are you copying Kilo Charlie 1 November Zulu United? Eric, over.
No, negative, Alex.
Okay, well, Eric, he's not copying you, fortunately, but I bet it's the propagation because I'm copying you 5 and 9 over here. Back to you, Eric. Kilo Charlie 1 November Zulu United from W7 Hotel Union. Over.
Fantastic. Yeah, I can copy him. I can just hear him. I'm not running a big antenna. It's just an RM, a Hustler RM20S. I can run a little bit of amplification. But fantastic. I'm on your YouTube page right now. I can see you in their station. It's pretty cool. I've really been enjoying it. My son is now going for his technician's license, so I can move it along in the family. Back to you.
Okay, well, thank you very much. And I see the picture that you have right there. I appreciate the contact. Eric, don't forget to click the link that I'm actually sharing very often into the chat right there. And I'm actually giving away a DMR radio on Monday, the 16th. the 15th, I'm sorry, the 15th, next Monday at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, 22 Zulu. So with that link, you will be able to register once a day from now until Monday. Once a day. You can register today, tomorrow, and on Monday. Today, tomorrow, Saturday, the Sunday, and then on Monday. And at 5 o'clock, we're going to run a program that will pick up a number of how many friends are, registered on. So thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And my pleasure to have you aboard here in my channel for the very first time. Mr. Eric, Kilo Charlie 1, November, Zulu uniform, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
Fantastic. Thank you. 73. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you, 73. Say, I heard Rick. Hello, Rick. Kilo 0 Romeo India Charlie, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
Yeah, the copy is kind of up and down today. The band isn't as good as it was the other day, but sometimes I have you about an S9 there, but when you heard me, you were taking a fade. You were down to about an S6. So anyway, it's nice to making contact with you today, but I wish the band conditions were a little bit better there. Go ahead.
Okay, well, that's great. I don't know if Judell is copying you. I'm copying you here, 5 and 9, 59 into Cutler Bay, Florida. Judell, are you copying Rick? Kilo 0 Romeo India Charlie?
Yes, today he is there, but it's 56, so Conrad, I will see if I copy you, over.
I can just barely hear him, but I do hear him in there, and your signal went from an S6 up to 20 over, so band is kind of up and down today. I did hear Udell in there. A couple of times I heard him about an S7 here, but I could tell he's in there that time.
Okay, well, that's great. If you want to make a contact with him, just throw the signal report and he will answer back to you. And then if you guys get the signal report, you will be all set. Over.
Okay, Udell, I had you about a 5.6 to a 5.7, 5.6 to 5.7. Band was fluctuating a little bit. How copy?
Did you copy, Udell? Udell.
Yeah, that time I heard you about a 5.8, so that time you were 5.8. That's the best so far, 5 by 8 there. How copy?
I copy 57, but I have QRM and QSB, over.
Yeah, I copied the 5.7 there. Yeah, the band is up and down today. It's not as good as it was the other day, but I did copy you. Appreciate it, and we'll go back to Alex here. W7HU, K0RIC.
Okay, well, that's great. And you guys copy each other. I know there is QS Baker going back and forth, and but at the end, you got the contact, Rick. Thank you so much, man, and I used your Q code yesterday, okay?
You guys are doubling there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I say that I used your Q code yesterday, over.
I was listening. I heard that. I was laughing. I heard you saying that on there. The QPR, which caused you to have a QPR.
Exactly. Okay, well, thank you so much, Rick. You are in the log, and you're also on Judell's log. Thank you, and 73 is over there, and my friend. Kilo 0 Romeo India Charlie, Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Bye-bye.
73 to both you and Udell. I report you again, K0RIC Pittsburgh.
73, sir. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ.
Whiskey 1, Juliet Charlie Romeo.
Okay, Whiskey 1, Juliet Charlie Romeo. Joe, go ahead, sir.
Good afternoon, Whiskey 1, Juliet Charlie Romeo. You are 5'9" in the state of Vermont. Over.
Roger. Thank you so much for the 5 and 9 in Vermont. You're 5 and 9 here in Cutler Bay, Florida. Name is Alex. This is our second contact here. Joseph, and you're 5 and 9. Over.
QSL, the 5 and 9. Copy very nicely. Over.
Okay, let me see if my friend Judell from Suriname is copying you. Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango. Do you copy Joe? Whiskey 1 Juliet Charlie Romeo. Over.
I heard a minute ago.
Okay, Judel, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango, do you copy Whiskey 1, Japan Charlie Romeo, Joseph in Vermont?
Yes, Roger, but I didn't get the call sign. The mention, go ahead. Yes, my call sign is Whiskey 1, Juliet Charlie Romeo. Whiskey 1, Juliet Charlie Romeo, and we're in Newport, Vermont, and I'm looking at Alex on YouTube, over. Roger, Joseph Roy, I copy you 57, over. QSL, 5x7, you are 5x9. This is W1JCR. Okay, my friend, thank you for the contact. What's the pleasure? Whiskey 1, Juliet Charlie Romeo, from Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango, over. QSL, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango, you're in my log, W1JCR. Thanks, gentlemen.
Okie dokie, thank you so much, and thank you for watching the live stream. If you see a link that I shared there, Joe, I'm giving away this DMR radio on Monday at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, 2200 Zulu, and you can click in there and register to win once a day from now until Monday, one today, one tomorrow, and then Sunday and Monday as well. So at 5 o'clock, we're going to run the program that will pick up randomly one number, and that will be the winning friend that will get the DMR radio, over.
Oh, sounds good. Awesome, man. I think you said your wife's birthday is Saturday or Sunday, and my birthday is Sunday. So, happy birthday to your wife. This is W1JCR.
No, that's Judel's wife, over.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're sounding great. Thank you so much, and 73 is my pleasure. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, W1JCR.
73, this is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ.
Kilo Echo 0, Alpha Echo Papa.
Okay, Kilo Echo 0, Alpha Echo Papa. Is that correct, Keith?
That is correct. You got about a 5-8 signal up here in Omaha this afternoon.
Okay, I just put my antenna to your location. Are you copying me any better?
Yes, sir. Come through loud and clear. Sounding awesome up here.
Okay, thank you for the second one, kids. Got you from Omaha and Nebraska, and you're 5 and 9, 59 here in Cutler Bay, Florida. Kilowatt Echo 0, Alpha Echo Papa from Whiskey 7, Hotel United, over.
Copy that. What was the gentleman's call sign and Suriname that you were talking to?
What did you say?
What was the gentleman in Suriname that you were talking to?
Okay, that's my friend Judel, Papa Zulu 2 Yankee Tango, Papa Zanzibar 2 Yankee Tango, over.
Copy that. I could barely hear him every now and then, so I was curious. Thanks for the contact. Have a good afternoon.
If you want to give it a try, that's okay for me. You can call him, over.
Copy that. We'll give it a shot. Papa Zulu 2, Papa Yankee Tango from KE0AEP.
Kilo Echo 0, Alpha Echo Papa. You are 56 in Suriname, South America, the former George Guyana, over.
Copy that. I'm happy to get a hold of you today. That was a pretty nice little bonus. Appreciate you picking me up, and you have a good day also. We'll go ahead and let Alexander get some more contact. 73 from Omaha.
Yeah, but you didn't give him the signal report. You didn't give him the signal report, Keith. You got to give him the signal report, over.
Copy that. You were 5758 here in Omaha.
Do you copy, Judel?
Yes, my friend. Thank you for the 57. Thank you for the 57. You are 56. 73. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, and 73 is my pleasure, Mr. Keith. Also want to say hello to Mr. Marty, Kilo Mike 6, Papa Romeo Alpha. Marty, let me move my antenna to your location, okay, in California. And welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Nice radios right there. You got a beautiful radios, man. And thank you. I was actually saying hello to you in KB2UKA chat right there. But it's good that you stopped by over here, my friend. Thank you very much. And I don't know if you're listening to me right now. My beam is actually pointing at west right now. Kilo Mike 6 Papa Romeo America. Are you copying me? Over. Okay, let me see. Kilo, Mexico 6, Papa, Romeo, Alpha. Are you copying me, sir? No, he's not copying me. Okay, this is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union. Any station from the West Coast?
K5, FRH, Dallas, Texas.
Okay, the station from Dallas. Go ahead.
West Coast, but I wanted to give you a holler. I've been listening to you for the past few minutes, listened to your QSO when you were discussing the antenna amp, and you sparked my interest. W7HU, this is K5FRH in Dallas. You're booming in at about a 5.9 plus. Handle here is Rod, Romeo Oscar Delta. Tell me about your experience in building that amp. I'd never heard of it before, but it's a great looking amp, and it's a lot more economical than some of the other full power amps. Over.
Okay. Yes, Rod, thank you so much. Kilo 5 Fox Romeo Hotel, Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Hey, listen, if you know how to read English, which of course I know you do, if you read the assembly manual, the documents, you'll be able to do it. I did it with my son, Alex, and 40 VJ. He's 12 years old, and we did it in 2 days. Okay, we used 4 hours one day. I let him refresh. I actually soldered, you have to solder a couple cables. I soldered the cable, who was the most difficult for him. And I let him, put all the knobs and everything. So we did it in 8 hours, taking our time, and that was amazing. So you see the product right here. I know people that had more experience in electronic that they do that in 2 or 3 hours. And the average people do that in 4 hours, okay? But I'm not an average person. I take everything with time because I don't want to rush and break something. However, if you have any trouble during the assembling, you can always contact the guy who makes it, KM3KM, and he will be happy to, answer any question and help you with anything. So I heard a guy who actually broke one of the parts, and he told me, it was my mistake and everything. He told him, don't worry, I will do a pickup, and he sent the part overnight to the guy. So see how good is the customer service of that guy over there, Mr. Rod. Kilo 5, Fox, Romeo Hotel, Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, over. No, it's audible. I have it now on 120. I had it before on 220, on 240. I mean, it's not. It doesn't matter if you plug in one or another one. It's audible. You don't have to do anything. Over.
Yeah. How much power do you have? What do you have it set at as far as output power? Over.
Yeah, it's 1,200 watts. 1,200 watts. Over.
Have you ever run a hex beam? I'm just wondering if you would be able to make a comparison between that and a hex beam. Over.
Well, I never had a hex beam, but I have a cobweb. And the cobweb is nothing to do with this. I mean, this is way better than the cobweb. But, however, every time that I listen to somebody with a hex beam, they're strong here. So, if I'd have the opportunity to buy the hex beam, and I don't have the opportunity to buy if you can afford the URBAM beam, which definitely is way expensive than the hex beam, well, buy it. You won't be disappointed. But if you're not in a mood to spend that much money, you can get the hex beam. I believe every time that I listen to somebody with the hex beam, they're booming here, and that is a great antenna. Over.
Because I'm assuming it must be the controller unit. The controller unit must be what makes it expensive, because the antenna itself is a relatively simple build. Over.
Well, yes, the antenna is expensive. The antenna is expensive, but it is a great antenna. Every single dollar. Yeah, the controller that I have is the one who make it a little bit more expensive. But you can have the default controller, which is the SD890, which is nothing bad with. The only thing is it's not color, and it does not have the display on it. But basically does whatever you can do with the antenna. So it does the 180 degrees and the bidirectional and everything. It will retract, and you can create the modified and everything, same as the other one. So this one is a little bit more nice, and you calibrate the antenna, and you see how it calibrates, and you can save the create and modify very nice. But it's really nice. I mean, both of them works okay. I decided to get the 2000 because I said, well, if I get the 100 and then I like the antenna and I will want to get the other one, then I will lose money because I have to pay full price for the controller. And if you order at the same time that you order the antenna, you're actually saving like $400 to $500. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Well, the one big thing you have going for you, hands down, is that you can operate 40 meters. None of the hex beams except one have 40 meters on them. All the others are 20 and up or 20 and down, depending on how you want to look at it. So that is one major advantage of your antenna, regardless of all of its better performance or whatever. I have to compliment you on your website. Boy, I tell you what, I like your website. I like the fact that you stream on YouTube, and everything you're doing there. You're a good advertisement for ham radio. Over.
Well, thank you so much, man. And like I say, I love ham radio, and there was a guy who asked me the other day how much money I was making off of ham radio, and I said, well, no, I'm actually spending money on this. I have some of the stickers, okay, that I make in some magnets like this one. And I just give that away to all of the friends that I know, and they ask me for. And that costs money. I spend money on that. And I answer every single QSL card. And I received every day, except today, 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 QSL cards a day. And I don't ask the people any money for it. I just send back my QSL card, that's the last courtesy of the QSL card. And, now I'm giving away a DMR radio. And a friend of mine gave me that radio, but I have another DMR radio, and I'm not using it. And I asked the guy, well, I'm not going to use it. So he told me, you can give it away to your friends or your followers right there. So I came the idea, and then I put the thing to give away the DMR radio. Maybe I make somebody else happy, and that's great, But I'm actually spending a ton of money on the hobby. And, if I tell you how much I make so far with the YouTube thing after I got the 1,000 subscriber, you will laugh, because I think at this I don't know how to say that, this piece, at this, time, I will have to wait another 40 years to get back what I spent so far on the station to make these things possible and make the show as it is right now. Ronnie, Kilo 5, Fox Romeo Hotel, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
Yeah, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, K5, FRH. Well, I understand. I have musician friends that have YouTube channels that, to advertise their music, and it's not YouTube unless you have 1 million subscribers or something. It's not a profit-making deal. It's a good way to, if you want to advertise yourself, to advertise, but it's not a profit-making deal. I'll have to watch some of your streaming videos and see how you capture your day-to-day activities on YouTube. But fantastic station there. You know, it's I wish more people would get out the word like you do and make it as exciting as you've made it, because I'm a big proponent of trying to help young people get on the air, and I think that something like what you're doing here is a good way to do it.
Okay, yes, but you have many, many good friends that do the same thing like I do. You have KB2UKA, you have K5YBY, you have Kilo Zero Romeo Whiskey Bravo, and you have November 5 X-Ray Whiskey X-Ray, and you have Oscar November 7 Oscar Fox Fox, and so on and so on. You have a huge list of good people that they do, live streaming. So you just have to see on my description. I have the list of all of the guys that I know that they have, live stream channels, and you can go and register and you can learn so much from each. Each of us have an individual, character, and we project one side of the ham radio, and you will learn from each of us a little bit, And in my case, I'm original from Cuba. I escaped my motherland in a raft. I spent 22 days on the sea, 10 days no food, and 4 days drinking my own urine. And the first time and the second one, I spent like 13 days until I reached the Mexican, island, Isla Mujeres. And then I came into the U.S. and I'm making my life here, and I love this country. And I wanted to let you know that this is the best country in the earth. No matter what's going on, no matter what happened in the past, in the future, America is the best country in the earth, and I'm very proud to be an American, and I love this country. And every day when I wake up, I thank America, and I thank God to be in this beautiful land. I'm a free man, and I can say whatever I think and whatever I like to say, and nothing will happen to me. My motherland, if I say that I don't like the system, I could have trouble, and I could go to jail, and I could be actually in prison. Back in the time. Thank you so much, Ron. My pleasure to talk to you. And please, anytime you listen to me, don't hesitate to call me, and that will be a pleasure talking to you in the next time. Kilo 5 Fox Romeo Hotel, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform. Over.
Okay, Alex. Yeah, I'll let you run. I'll tell you what, if I wanted a handheld, I might tell you to keep the radio and send me food, because I have a feeling your company distributes some very tasty and very interesting and possibly unusual foods for this Dallas, Texas boy. So I'd probably tell you keep the radio and send food. But anyway, you have a great afternoon. Continue with your QSOs, and we'll catch you later down the band. W7HU, K5FRH Dallas.
Okie dokie, thank you so much. And let me see if Marty is copying me over there in California. I actually turned my beam to California, and of course, when I turn my beam to California, I pass by Texas as well. Let me see, Marty, are you here, Marty? Kilo Mexico 6, Papa Romeo Alpha. Marty, are you here? No, I don't hear Marty. Okay, let me make the last call for the West Coast or Texas area, Louisiana. Any station from there. Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, QRZ.
Kilo Golf 5, India, Mike Golf.
Kilo Golf 5, India, Mexico, Guatemala. Go ahead, Marvin.
Hey, Roger. Alex, I tell you what, man, you're sounding good here in Austin, Texas. I just want to wave a hand to you out there, and you're doing a really good job. I just subscribed to your channel on YouTube. You're doing a really good job. Back to you, KG5ING.
Thank you so much, Martin. Thank you so much. And man, what a radio. That's the 5,000, right?
Hey, Roger. Yeah, I'm running the 5,000, and I turned on the amp. I turned on this Alpha 9500. The last time I talked to you, I had it turned off. I was just running 200 watts. But right now, it's got the Alpha turned on, and hopefully it's getting out there on this big old ugly vertical from 05.
Well, man, you're doing a great job right there. Actually, I was looking at your QRZ web page, and it's amazing. It's amazing, how that radio sounds, man. Sounds professional. You sounds like the voice of your QTH right there. Let me see. The voice of Austin, Texas. Over.
Hey, Roger. Hey, I tell you what, we got hit with a lot of ice here, and as of now, there's still ice on the tree branches, and right now, currently, it's about 31 degrees, and it's supposed to get colder tonight. I think it's supposed to get down in the about upper 20s, but here in Central Texas, that's not normal. So. Originally, I'm from the Midwest. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, but I'm used to it somewhat, so I know what to expect as far as this cold weather and how to drive in it and whatnot. But maybe I think Monday we might be getting some snow. Well, you think that's kind of weird, huh? Snow here in Central Texas, but it only lasts for about a few days. You know, mostly probably last no more than a week, but it's going to warm up next week, and hopefully I'm a big barbecue guy, so hopefully by next week I can put a brisket on the smoker, you know, and get back to the old Texas tradition there, Roger. Back to you, KG5M IMG. Back to you, W7HU.
Okie dokie, Marvin. Thank you so much for the contact. And I see that my friend Marty from California already grabbed his headsets, and maybe I will have the opportunity to work him. I know Marty from a couple months now. I see him and all the on the other YouTube channels, and I say hello to him, but I never had the opportunity. Let me check here if I have him on my log. I don't think so. And but I would love to have him on my log, and that way I can send my QSL card. No, he's not in my log, and that will be a big DX for me, Marvin. Thank you, Marvin, for the contact, and 73s, and my pleasure to have you aboard again into my QTH. From my home to your home, 73s. Thank you.
All right, thank you there, Alex. Good luck there, brother.
Thank you so much. Okay, Martin, are you here? Kilo Mike 6, Papa, Romeo, Alpha. Go ahead.
November 5, Tango Lima Hotel, Mobile.
Hold on the mobile station. Kilo Mike 6, Papa, Romeo, Alpha. Martin, are you here? I don't hear Martin. Oh, my goodness. That's a bad luck for me. I hardly want to have Martin into my log. Okay, the mobile station. Go ahead. Repeat your call.
Roger. It's November 5, Tango Lima Hotel, Mobile, in Dallas, Texas.
Okay, William, thank you so much for mobile in Dallas, Texas. You're very fine here. Beautiful modulation and strong signal. Over. Well, you got a 5 and 8, 58 here into Coulter Bay, Florida. Very loud, very clear, and nice audio. Will, handle here is Alex, America, London, Echo, X-ray. Over. Well, you're doing a great job with the 7300 right there, and congratulations for the mobile signal, sir. 73s and all the best. My pleasure. Okay, I have my antenna pointing to the northeast. Any station, this is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, QRZ.
Kilo Echo 8, Oscar Juliet Sierra.
Kilo Echo 8, Oscar Juliet Sierra. Booming signal. Mark, how you doing?
Good evening, Alex. How are you? We've spoke a couple times before, and I actually got a chance to listen to myself on your YouTube channel. You're doing a great job there. Over.
Oh, yes, man. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And I'm sorry that I couldn't talk to Marty. I was actually wondering to talk to him, but he's not copying me quite well there, and I'm not copying him at all over here, Mark. So, Mark, thank you so much. You see the booming signal that you have here today, and that's amazing. I'm glad that you actually listen to your voice. Over.
Well, Roger. Yeah, I just installed a little bit of new equipment today here in the shack, and you're the first contact I've made on it.
Well, that's great. What is that rig over there?
I installed a Amatron ALS-1300 and a MFJ 998 auto tuner here today to the rig. Over.
Well, you're doing a great job, man. Whatever you did there is awesome. Over.
Roger on that. Yeah, a little bit of power behind the station, running a 7-band off center-fed Buckmaster dipole, waiting to get a Mosley tri-bander up on my 50-foot tower. Over.
Oh, okay. Well, congratulations on that. You're doing a great job, Mr. Mark, and I appreciate that you come back and test that to me, and you will see how great you're coming into my QTH. Thank you so much, brother, and 73 is my pleasure.
73, Alex. God bless, and have a great evening. Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, Kilo Echo 8 Oscar Juliet Sierra.
Okay, Kilo Echo 8 Oscar Juliet Sierra. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Don't forget to stop by there. We are on minute 1 hour 26, and check our QSO, Mr. Mark, on the YouTube live stream. Marty, yes, that will be my priority from now on. I'm going to check 15 meters to see if we can have actually propagation maybe tomorrow, or I don't operate on Sunday. This Sunday I'm going to be on 100 watts in the wire at 9 o'clock. And by the way, it's hot right here right now. Hello, Christian. Welcome aboard, sir. My pleasure. And and Marty, I'm gonna shoot you an email when I'm on 15 meter band, and see if we can work at least on 15 meter, which is gonna be a better band for us to communicate. All right, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ.
Victor Echo 3 Echo Whiskey Zulu.
Hotel Foxtrot.
Okay, Victor Echo 3 Echo Whiskey Zanzibar. John in Kingston, Ontario, is that correct?
That is correct. Whiskey 7 Hotel United, Victor Echo 3 Echo Whiskey Zulu. Thank you for coming back to me. You have a good signal here. It was about 10 over 9. It's dropped a little bit now. And the name is John in Kingston, Ontario. Back to you.
Okay, well, thank you very much. And you start with 5 and 9, and then you went down a little bit, but I'm copying you quite well here. No problem at all, sir. Handle here is Alex America London Echo X-Ray. Over.
It's well below freezing. Let me put it that way. Back to you.
Okay, well, thank you so much, John, for the contact, and 73 is for you. Be safe and stay inside of the house. I know it's very cold in there, and 73 is for you and your family. My pleasure, sir. Okay, thank you so much, 73s. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ.
K3IFO, Pennsylvania.
Okay, who is the Pennsylvania station?
Kilowatt, America 3, India Fox Oscar. The name is Jack, and the town is Erie. Echo Romeo, India Echo, just like Lake Erie. Good signal, 5 and 9, over.
Okay, yes, I'm sorry. I was actually doing something here and I couldn't copy the call. Not because I don't copy you, it's because I have my hands on another thing. It's Kilowatt America 3, and what is the rest of the call?
Kilowatt America 3, India Fox Oscar, IFO, and we're in the city of Erie, Pennsylvania, over.
Okay, John, I got him. I got him right now in Erie, Pennsylvania. Yeah, I know where is Erie, Pennsylvania. I used to live in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania a while ago for a long 10 years, man. Dealing with the snow and the cold weather. Now I'm in Miami with 70-some degrees. Over?
Oh, my gosh. We got up this morning. When we got up this morning, we're on the shores of the Great Lake here. We can see it from upstairs in the house. It was about 14 or 15 above. But anyhow, we had plans on coming down last fall for a while, but we have an RV, but because of the COVID, we got it put away in storage for a while. What's the first personal on that? What's the first name, over?
Okay, the name here is Alex, America London Echo X-Ray. Alex is the name, and I'm located 21 miles south of Miami and 230 miles north of Havana, Cuba. Over.
Good signal. Real good audio, Alex. Crystal clear. Probably 10 over 9 right now. I haven't been on the band in probably a month or more, but it's opened up pretty well. I lived down there in the Tampa Bay area for 2 years. I worked in the hospital down there, but that was a long time ago. But the only problem I have, I don't deal with the summers too well. I don't handle humidity very well. Over.
Oh, yes, humidity is high here, but, I was born in the island of Cuba, and this humidity is nothing to me. So, I used to be on the with the humidity, so it's not affecting me as much. I liked, the hot weather, and it's a little bit better for me than the cold weather. I'm telling you that, John. Thank you, John, for the nice QSO. By the way, I'm live streaming on my YouTube channel, so if you go to YouTube right now and you type my call sign, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, you'll be able to listen to your voice, see your signal, and also see my ugly face. And if you go back a couple minutes, you can also see my friend's ugly face. He says he actually happens to see his ugly face as well. My friend Christopher. Oh, Christian, I'm sorry. And back to you, John, and 73s, Kilo America 3, India Fox Oscar, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
Okay, Alex, good sound and signal. By the way, we're on an ICOM 7000, and I'm just going into a dipole that I've got to cut for the 20-meter band. And it's not up real high, but it's just in the backyard and doing a good job. And you've got a good sound and signal, and very good English and all the good stuff. In the meantime, you and your family stay safe down there. We were just lucky about a week ago. We are tied in with a local hospital here. It's laid off right now, and we got our second vaccine shot for the COVID. So that's my Christmas present. You take care of you and your family and stay safe, Alex. Really enjoyed the QSO. 2-3 IFO in Erie, Pennsylvania. We just did.
Okay, thank you so much, and 73 is my pleasure. Bye-bye. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, QRZ.
November 8th, India Bravo
Uniform.
Where's the station ending in uniform?
Good afternoon. This is Whiskey 1 Victor Uniform. My name is Bob, and I'm located just south of Boston, Massachusetts. You're 20 over at 9.
Okay, Bob, you were 5 and 9 plus as well, and you went down to 5 and 8. The QS Baker is crazy today, crazy. Bob, thank you so much for the 5th contact here in 20-meter band. Looking to have you in my log so many other times. You're actually booming in here today, but QS Baker is big today. Over.
Very good. Yeah, I seem to have a pipeline down to Florida today. And lots of stations down there. Worked a special event station for the Dayton 500 and a few others as well. So I guess the 20-meter path down to Florida is pretty good. It's not very cold up here today, probably about, well, it's cold for your standards, but for us it's not bad. It's about 27 degrees just south of Boston. I'm about maybe 10 miles from the Atlantic Ocean. I'm running barefoot, about 100 watts into a homebrew ZS6BKW center-fed dipole antenna.
Well, you're doing a great job. You're sounding great. You go up to 5 and 9 plus, and then you go down to 5 and 8. That's the QS Baker. But thank you so much for another content, Bob. By the way, I'm live streaming on my YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube right now and you type my call sign, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, you will be able to listen your voice, see your signal, and also see my ugly face, by the way. Whiskey 1, Victor United, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform. 73 is Bob, and my pleasure. Bye-bye.
Okay, you peaked 40 over on that last transmission. And, oh, yes, I did look at your YouTube video once several months ago. Very good. I think it was on Halloween we worked, actually, if I recall. I think your kids were having to stay in for Halloween before the COVID. At least somebody on YouTube was. Maybe it was you. Okay, 73, thank you for the contact. W1VU Cliff.
Roger, Roger. Thank you. And 73. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union QRZ. November 3, Sugar Hotel Mexico. Go ahead, sir. You're 5 and 9, Jan.
Yeah, how you doing today, Alex? Just turned the radio on, and you're coming up here real nice. Good 5-9 signal, over.
Okay, you're also 59 over here, my friend. Thank you so much. Say hello to your wife right there, Jennifer, the dog, and everybody in your QTH, the grandkids, everybody right there. So you're 59 plus over here, like always. November 3, Sugar Hotel Mexico, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, over.
All right, Alex, I'll just sit by here and listen to all the good contacts you make today. Nice pictures you're showing there. Have a good day there, Alex, N3SHN.
Thank you so much, and don't forget to actually click on the link that I'm sharing often there to enter for the giveaway of the DMR radio, which is going to be on Monday. Thank you so much, Jim, and 73. Bye-bye.
See you later, Alex.
See you later. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union QRZ. QRZ.
November 8 Lima Whiskey X-ray.
November 8 Lima Whiskey X-ray. Booming signal, Steve. 59 plus, over.
Yeah, roger that. Okay, Alex, very good. I won't hold you long. I know there's a whole bunch of them out there. We're watching you live. You're looking good, Tony. You're looking good.
Okie dokie. Thank you very much, man. And, well, like I say, this is our second band, and I'll appreciate that. And I remember you, of course, when we have the QSO on 17-meter band. And, well, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to work you in another band. And it's a pleasure for me have you in my QTH again. Thank you so much for those nice pictures. And like always, my pleasure. November 8, Lima Whiskey X-ray. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel United. Over.
Okay, Alex. 7-3. Have a good weekend. We'll catch you Monday for the DMR.
Roger. Yes, man. Good luck. Nobody knows if you win that. Hi. Thank you, brother. 73s. All the best. Bye-bye. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, QRZ.
Delta 2, Hotel Whiskey Delta.
Who is the Hotel Whiskey Delta?
Who do you think, Alex? Who do you think? Kilo Delta 2, Hotel Whiskey Delta.
Okay, Eric, how's it going, brother?
Doing good. I sent you a message on Facebook, so check your messages. I'm going to say 73s and let some other people get through.
Okie dokie. Well, I didn't check the message, but I will do that. Let me see. Okay, I think it's here. Yes, I got a message from you. Wow, okay, thank you so much. Judel will be very happy. I think Judel lost me. That's why I didn't actually pass the mic to him no more. But let me ask if Judel is here, the way he can contact you again. Judel, are you here?
No, Alex,
Okay, he's not copying. He have a high noise level today. He didn't have that since a while, and now he have a high level of noise today. All right, thank you so much, Eric. And, well, I see Papa Phill is there. Say hello to Papa Phill. He's right at the chat right now. Over. Eric.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, you can say hello to Papa Phill. He's in the chat right now.
Delta, do you copy?
I copy. I think we double. I say hello to Papa Phill. He is on the chat. Over. Okay, Kilo Delta 2, Hotel Whiskey Delta. Are you still here? I think the propagation was close between me and Eric. Yes, I lost propagation with Eric. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union. Anybody, anywhere, QRZ.
Whiskey Foxtrot 3 Uniform.
Okay, Whiskey Foxtrot 3 United. Is that correct, sir?
QSL. Whiskey 3 Foxtrot Tank.
Okay, hello, George. Thank you so much for the second one. You're 5 and 9, 59 into Cutler Bay, Florida. Over.
QSL to 5 and 9. You are also 5 and 9 here in Shrewsbury, Pennsylvania. Running about 800 watts at the moment into a gap Titan vertical antenna.
Okay, well, you're doing a great job. It's sounding great over here, man. And my name is Alex, America London Echo X-Ray. You got that? We got previous QSO. But pleasure for me. You're sounding awesome over here, Mr. George. Whiskey Fox 3 United, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union. Over.
Oh, you're doing so much good here too. We're getting you at 5 and 9, sometimes a little bit over, about 5 and 5, over 9. Not too bad copy here. I'll say 73 to you. Nice to have a second contact. And I wish I had your 70-degree weather up here. It's just about freezing. And we have about 6 or 7 inches of snow on the ground. I'll say 77HU. Whiskey Foxtrot 3 Uniform.
Okay, Whiskey Foxtrot 3 United, Whiskey 7 Hotel United returning. Thank you so much. In 73, George. My pleasure. Bye-bye.
73.
This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union. Any station, anywhere. QRZ. Who is the VJR? Who is the VJR? Okay, Kilo Charlie 9, Zulu Juliet Romeo. Hello, Chuck. How are you doing today?
Doing just fine on this end. I just put up a 05 ground plane in the middle of a snowstorm, and I just wondering what kind of conditions I've got here.
Well, you got a 5 and 9, 59 here into Cutler Bay, Florida, Chuck. The name is Alex, America, London Echo X-Ray. Alex is the name, and I'm located 21 miles south of Miami. Over.
Sound real good here, Alex. 709 here. Sound real good. All right, I'm going to get out here and bundle these coaxes up and get back in out of the code. I appreciate it, Alex. Hope you have a good day.
Roger. Thank you so much, Chuck. 73 is my pleasure. Bye-bye. Let me move my antenna to the northwest. I believe my friend Ray wants to talk to me. Just let me move my antenna to Texas. Okay, I have it now pointed at you. It's not Texas. I know you're in, you're right there in Mississippi. So I got it right now pointing at Mississippi. Ray, over. Man, the propagation is not quite well today. I'm not copying you quite well today. You're on the noise level, over. Okay, well, you're 5 and 7 here with the noise level. I have a noise level of 5 and 6, 5 and 7. Over. Do you want to give me my scenery report, Ray, for the log? Ray, you want to give me my scenery report for the log? Five and 8, so 5 and 8. Thank you so much, man. You are in the log. My pleasure. Bye-bye. Okay, Kilo Delta 9, November, Uniform Bravo. Kilo Delta 9, November, Uniform Bravo. Scott, is that correct, sir?
Roger, Alex. You're 59 into the very northwest corner of Indiana, November.
Okie dokie, Scott, thank you so much for the 5 and 9. You're 5 and 8 to 5 and 9. There's QS Bacon on the band. The band is not quite well today, but anyway, we're making whatever possible to get as many QSO as we can. So thank you very much for the first contact, Scott. And my name is Alex, America, London, Echo, X-Ray. Over. Okie dokie, thank you very much, man. 73s and all the best. I wanted to say hello to Marvin in Mississippi. Hello, Marvin. Thank you so much for stopping by. Marvin, the link that I just shared out on the chat is the link for the giveaway of this DMR radio. It's a Balfour radio. So you click there, you register, and you will be able to get that, my friend. Thank you so much, and Scott and 73s. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union. Any station anywhere. QRZ.
Kilo Delta 2 Romeo Papa X-ray.
Kilo Delta 2 Romeo Papa X-ray. Good afternoon, John. How you doing? Thank you for the third one. Over.
How you doing, Alex? High from 30 degrees in southern New Jersey today.
Well, you got a very nice signal here, 5 and 9, 59. The propagation is a little bit not too good today, and you're getting here 5 and 9 and beautiful modulation, sir. So, are you right there in Memora, New Jersey? Well, those pictures there looks that as Atlantic City. Over.
Roger. Just about 20 miles south of Atlantic City on the Jersey Shore, southern New Jersey.
Okay, yes, I know what it is. I used to go there to Atlantic City, Wildwood, and Cape May, and I love that area. Over.
Very good. Yeah, it's right in my backyard here. Right in my backyard. That's really cool. I love southern Florida, and I love Cuba. I'd like to get there. My father was there when he was 14 years old. I hope to get back there. My great-grandmother was Cuban.
Okay, well, thank you so much. That FT2 is doing a great job there with the... what is that? Is a beer?
Roger. At a beer pub, right by night, with my HT there.
Oh man, that's when you see that that's so small, man. That is great. I used to have one of those FT2. They're nice radios. But I got sold that when I bought my antenna. I get rid of a lot of things that I didn't use much, and to make the the extra money that I need to to cover the price of the antenna that I have. But thank you so much, John, for the contact. 73 is for you and your family there. Kilo Delta 2 Romeo Papa X-Ray Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Bye-bye.
Kilo Charlie 8 November Tango Victoria.
Echo 8 for that Charlie.
Kilo Charlie 8 November Tango Victoria. Go ahead, Leslie.
What's going on down there, Alex? How's everything going? Just come home from work and just turned the radio on. Today here in Miamisburg. I just wanted to get in contact with you because I just got my amplifier up and running about 500 watts, 500 or 600 watts, probably about 500. I'll say 600 on the whistle there. I'm only driving about 70 watts into it. and running a vertical antenna today. I usually use the wire antenna, but running a vertical antenna. And just wanted to see how it was sounding down there. I'd be able to kind of listen to myself and see if I got everything all set up. It's a got the switch box that connects to the radio, the Ameritron connection. You got to have it plugged in the back of the ST991 Alpha to make it all come together there. So we went down to the Kenny store finally and picked that up and got another antenna up. Didn't finally finish the wire yet. Haven't got it where I exactly want it, but we had a snowstorm here in Ohio. We got about 7 to 8 inches of snow and then about 2 or 3 inches the next 2 or 3 days. So the snow is just now melting off again. And we're expecting another snowstorm, I guess, first part of the week. Back to you there, Alex. KC8-NO-TV, Miamisburg, Ohio.
Okie dokie, man. I have to be honest with you. The propagation today is not good because I always copy you 5 and 9 plus, and your signal is actually, it was 5 and 9, and then it went down to 5 and 7, 5 and 8, with almost with the noise level. Propagation is gone, I believe, for today. Mr. Leslie, and thank you so much for stopping by. I see that you have upgraded the QRZ page. It looks awesome. Very professional QRZ web page. Over.
Yeah, I did kind of do a little bit of work every once in a while with it there. I see some things that I want to add on and that kind of things. I've been doing it for since I got back into HF, they're pretty heavy. But, yeah, the band is up and down. I heard some guys a few channels down below here, and they're running a net, and they're saying how bad it was fading, so I figured there's a lot of fading going on. But anyway, I figured I'd at least see if it was sounding halfway decent, and you're doing the same thing. You're about 5 and 9, and then you kind of drop off to about a 5 and 7, so pretty much what we're dealing with the conditions there, that's for sure. But I tell you what, you're sounding good, Steele. You always sound good on that on that radio right there. It's a pretty radio. I got your card up here, sitting here looking at your fine radio, and you've given me thumbs up. So always got that to keep me rolling there when I'm out here DXing there. All right, 73s. I'll catch you again, and you guys be careful out there. Be safe. Definitely be careful, and we'll catch you again around the bend. Enjoy talking to you guys down there, and we'll catch you maybe at night when the conditions are a little bit better there. KC8-NO-TV, Miamisburg, Ohio, 73s. Good luck out there. Have a good evening.
Okay. Thank you so much, and 73s for you and your family right there, and and next time when we have better propagation, of course, you'll be able to notice, how good is the amplifier and everything. Now the propagation is going. I believe I'm going to finish my live stream in a couple of minutes from now, about 5:30, and because the propagation is actually not great today, Mr. Leslie. Well, thank you so much, man. I see I see the call sign of Marvin. Yeah, Marvin, Kilo Golf 5 India, my golf. Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate that. I will be, when I can get that out, I will actually do it something great for the community as well, for the radio community. Okay, back to you. Leslie, Kilo Charlie 8 on November Tango Victoria from Whiskey 7 Hotel United. 73s and ciao.
All right, 73s there, Alex. You have a good evening there. Yeah, you peaked out about 5.9 there at the end and dropped all the way down to 5 and 5. But we got a lot of snow and a lot of ice on the roof and all that stuff on the antennas and everything up here. So getting that little blast of winter there. We got to have it sometime or another. We haven't already had winter here in Ohio for quite a few years. It's been since 2002 that we had a white Christmas. So with the global warming thing, I guess, going on, among other things. All right, buddy, 73. Have a good evening there, and enjoy
Okie dokie. Thank you so much. And 73 for you and your family. Ciao, ciao. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel United, W7 Hotel Uniform from Cutler Bay, Florida. Any station, anywhere, QRZ. Kilo Charlie 0, Oscar Delta Kilowatt. Good afternoon, sir. This is Alex, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union. Over.
Hello, Alex. Whiskey 7 Alpha Uniform is what I copied, but I don't think that's right. Alex, this is Lawrence, Lima Alpha Whiskey Romeo, Echo November Charlie Echo, and QTH is Southern Maryland. Back to you.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Lawrence from Southern Maryland in California, Maryland. This is Alex, Whiskey 7 Hotel United from Cutler Bay, Florida. And your signal is going up to 5 and 9 and come down to 5 and 8. But the propagation today is crazy, my friend. Lawrence, I'm actually live streaming into my YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube right now and you type my call sign, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, you'll be able to listen your voice, see your signal, and also see my ugly face, by the way. And you also will be able to enter into the giveaway that I'm doing, and I'm actually sharing a link very often. Now I'm going to share that I'm talking to you. If you click in there, you will be able to register to win the DMR radio that I'm giving away next Monday at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, 22 Zulu, Lawrence. Kilo Charlie 0, Oscar Delta Kilowatt from Whiskey 7, Hotel Union. Over.
Fine business, Alex, and I appreciate you taking my call. I don't have very good bandwidth here for streaming. I can just barely look faces up on QRZ. My log shows that you and I had a QSO on October 30th. So thank you for our second QSO. And this is my first QSO with a brand new to me ICOM 7300. And I would very much appreciate a report on the audio. As you know, this radio, the 7300, is a fantastic radio, and it's very sensitive on audio adjustment, and so I have what I believe to be a workable setting on microphone gain and compression, and wonder if you could report on my audio. W7HU cases are ADK.
Okie dokie, thank you very much, Lawrence. Your audio is excellent. I was about to tell you that you actually were running a 7300, because every time that I heard somebody with a nice audio, they running a 7300. In my personal opinion, the 7300 is one of the best radio that you can have now in your QTH. In fact, I'm looking forward to get one in the near future, because my younger son and for EVJ, November 4 Echo Victor Julia, Alex Jr., he actually likes the 7300 better than this TS890 that I'm using right now, Lawrence. So thank you so much for the contact. 73 for you and your family, and all the best, my friend. You are in the log again for the second time. Kilowatt Charlie 0, Oscar Delta Kilo, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, 73. Bye-bye.
73, W7HU.
KD4 OLI.
Okay, 73. Bye-bye. And Papa Phill is right there. Guys, make sure you check Papa Phill, America Bravo 8, Papa Romeo's QRZ webpage. He actually have a video right there that I would love you to see it. In fact, I need to do a QPR, and that code is actually made by my friend Kilo Zero Romeo India Charlie. QPR means quick personal release, and I have to go there and use the PP room for a second. In the meantime, I'm going to play you guys a video there that it lasts 2 minutes, and at the same time, I'm going to grab a little bit of water, and I'll be back. Don't go yet, guys. I'll be back in a second, and I will play the video. I will play the video of Papa Phill. Okay.
We are a Detroit area family. It's always felt like home to me.
Phill and I have been married 40 years in August. Phill is the most dependable person I have ever met.
I grew up bleeding maize and blue, as they say. Every Saturday morning was football games on the couch with my dad in the fall.
He's always there for the people in his life, no matter what. Anyone who has him in his life is very fortunate.
I'm in Brandon's video.
Greatest grandpa in the world.
This year we took a trip to Utah to see the beautiful monuments, and at high altitudes I noticed I was running out of breath quite easily. You know, just out of the blue, things got worse, and that I was going to have to be on dialysis if I don't get a transplant within 5 to 6 months.
You're hooked to a machine for 12 plus hours a week. Apparently you get really sick, really hurt your immune system. You don't get better on dialysis. You just slowly get worse.
It's not healing, it's maintenance and management, and we want my dad to heal. Without a living donor, it's very likely my dad would spend years on a transplant list, on dialysis, instead of visiting with his grandchildren, potential future grandchildren.
We just want to be a family, and unfortunately, we live 2,000 miles apart. When you see my dad playing with the kids, it is the sweetest thing in the world.
If he's on dialysis, we won't be with the kids as much as we want to.
It's life, and I just want to live it.
If my dad doesn't find a living kidney donor, we don't know what that will look like.
I can't imagine life without my dad, and a living kidney donor gives him the gift of life.
Thank you for watching this video.
Please go to our website, www.papaphilcan.com, and sign up to get your blood tested today. Thank you.
Okay, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel United returning. Okay, guys, what you saw there was a video of Papa Phill, which is a fellow ham, America Bravo A Papa Romeo. He's actually in need of a kidney. He have a kidney disease, and he's looking for a donor, a living donor. And, you know, I actually, every time that I'm going to, you know, finish on my live stream, I put his video, and I ask, please, every one of you to get into his QRZ webpage, copy the link of his video, and post it on your social media. Maybe one of you there could have a friend that have the, you know, the courage and the matching for Papa Phill, and he will save Papa Phill. If we have Papa Phill here for the next couple years, for the next decade or so, we'll be very proud. He's a very nice ham radio operator. He's a human being, and he's also a ham. Being a ham is like being a family. So I would love you guys to go to his QRZ webpage, America Bravo A Papa Romeo. copy that link and share it in your social media. And in between all of us, we're going to make it happen. Papa Phill will want you here for many, many years to come. So thank you guys for watching that video. And we continue now to see if we have more propagation. And if no, I will be, finished after that. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ. Oh, well, the propagation, I think, is gone. Let me ask if I have somebody from the West Coast or somewhere from the West. This is Whiskey 7, Hotel Union, any station, anywhere, QRZ.
Japan Tango W7HU, November 8, Romeo Hotel Kilo.
Okay, November 8, Romeo Hotel Kilowatt. November 8, Romeo Hotel Kilowatt. Bob, I got you. 100 watts in a wire. Papa Phill is America Bravo 8 Papa Romeo. Alpha Bravo 8 Papa Romeo. Bob, let me put my station, actually the antenna looking at you right now. Go ahead, sir. This is Alex, Whiskey 7, Hotel Uniform. Over. Go ahead, Bob. Oh, yes, man. Well, hopefully we can get, some hero donor. He says that he's in search of a hero donor, and that'll be very great. What a great thing if in between all of us we can make him the prize and the thing to still alive. That'll be very good for all of us. We'll be more proud to be in ham radio operators, and please share that in your social media. Hey, Bob, I know he's close to you, and if you know him, I don't have to tell you. I've been knowing him for about a month or so, and I believe he's a great person. So back to you, November 8, Romeo Hotel Kilowatt from Whiskey 7, Hotel Union. Over. Roger, Robert. Thank you so much for the contact. The propagation is not quite well today, but you are in the log, Robert. And in the meantime, you can go to YouTube and type my call sign, Whiskey 7 Hotel United, and you will be able to listen to your voice, see my signal, and also see my ugly face. And also you can see another friend who has an ugly face. He told me that he has an ugly face as well. So I don't know if my friend, I'm not going to put it again because I know you're going to laugh a lot. Okay, thank you so much, Robert. And 73 is November 8, Romeo Hotel Kilowatt, Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, 73. Thank you, and 73s, you went up to 5 and 9 as well. Thank you. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel United. Last few calls, QRZ.
Victor Alpha 3, Japan Tango.
Victor Alpha 3, Japan Tango. Good afternoon. Hey, how's it going, Jim? How you doing today? Thank you so much for another one.
Oh, my pleasure. Always an honor and a pleasure to check in with you. And it's not bad today. There's a gentle snow falling. And just sitting here at the rig, this old rig, it's about the same age as I am, 77 years old. We both drift in the same direction, so I'm trying to straighten out the drift.
Roger. Thank you so much, Jim. And like always, it's very good that you don't have heavy snow falling in there. But I know the temperature is very, 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 very cold in there, my friend. So thank you so much. Like I say, always is a pleasure for me see your QRZ pictures, and man, what a story! When you see people pictures coming from many years, you see the story of the people. So now I have a big picture in my mind of who you are. Over.
Alex. Yep, and there's still lots of pictures to have. But the greatest time every year is when we get a chance to put on the Santa Claus outfit and help all the children.
Wow, that's amazing. I would love to see the adventure of the fox. That is awesome. That is awesome to see that. I don't know if it's audio visual or it's only a podcast. It's only audio. But thank you so much for sharing those pictures. And I appreciate the contact again. Always a pleasure for me, Jim. Victor America 3 Japan Tango, Whiskey 7 Hotel Uniform, 73s. Bye-bye.
73s, Alex. And the Adventures of the Fox is a CD disc, 12 hours, and it's on commercial radio around the world.
Wow, amazing. That is awesome. Well, thank you so much. And 73s for you and the family there. My pleasure. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Alex. All the best. See you down the log.
73s and ciao ciao. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel United. I want to say hello to Hotel India. Let me see the call. I saw the Hotel India call right there, but I don't know if I can see it now. I'm sorry. The chat is going too fast for me, and I have a bunch of screens over here. Hotel India 5 Alpha Tango Alpha. Okay, Hotel India 5 Alpha Tango Alpha. Mr. Lenin in the Dominican Republic. Galán Neiva, Dominican Republic. Saludo por ahí, muchachos. Fuerte abrazo. Buenas tardes. Desde Cutler Bay, Florida. Espero que estés bien por ahí, amigo Lenin. Okay, I wanted to say hello to Mr. Lenin right there in the Dominican Republic. Very nice place. Okay, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel United for the last call, QRZ.
Kilo Delta 4, Oscar Lima, India.
Romeo.
Kilo Delta 4, Oscar Lima, Italy. David, 59 plus, booming signal, over.
Yeah, you got a booming signal into Richmond today, too, 59 plus. How's the weather down your way, Alex?
Well, the weather is 76 degrees. It's a little bit cold, but anyways, what we can do is cold enough, over.
76 degrees, it's cold. Come on now, it's 26 here.
Oh man, yeah, it's cold for me. It's cold for me, Dave. Well, Dave, thank you very much for the. This is our. Let me see how many QSO we have before Kilo Delta 4, Oscar Lima, Italy, and well, this is our 4th contact. Over.
Yeah, that sounds about right. I'm on my way down there. I'm gonna come visit you. I can't handle the snow and ice anymore. Over.
Okie dokie. Thank you so much, Dave, for another QSO. I'll say 73, so I'm about to go QSY, QRT. I'm going to take like a quick call for everybody that are on list there. I heard a couple guys there, and I will make like a contest mode, and then I'll be QRT at 5:45. I have to prepare the dinner for the family, and make ready. I have to be good on the weekend of Valentine's Day, because Sunday is the big day for the Valentine's, and also I'm going to be on 100 watts and a wire at 9 o'clock. It's going to be interviewing me, and the topic of the interview is 90 Days to Freedom. That's great. I like that, Christian. Thank you so much. Okay, 73 is Dave. My pleasure. Bye-bye.
Yeah, well, congratulations on the interview on 100 watts and a wire. 73's to you. You have a nice evening.
Thank you, Jim. Okay, quick calls. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel United, QRZ. Who is the Foxtrot Kilo?
Hello, my friend. How you doing? I talked to you yesterday. I just wanted to check in with you today. Had a good day down there, and we're staying warm here in Pennsylvania.
Okay, can you repeat your call sign? No, I have the QS Baker. Repeat that again, please.
Alpha 3 Delta Fox
Kilo.
Okay, Kilo America to Delta Fox Kilo. Yes, I remember you, Chuck, from yesterday. Thank you so much. The signal is going up and down. You got a 5 and 8. 58 at the moment. Over.
Okay, you give me a 5-9, maybe 10 over. Like you said, it's jumping up and down. I couldn't hear you earlier, but the band come back a little bit, so just jump in there before you leave. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. And 73 Chuck, and I got you 5 and 9 at this time. The last transmission was 5 and 9. Thank you so much, and 73. Bye-bye. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel Union, QRZ.
Kilo Delta 2, Oscar Golf Romeo.
Kilo Delta 2, Oscar Golf Romeo, 59. Go ahead, John.
Hey, good to hear you, Alex. 5-9 in New Jersey. Happy Friday. Keep the wife happy, and have a great day. 7-3, back to you.
Thank you so much. 73 is my pleasure, QRZ. Ok, la estación de Puerto Rico, QRZ. Ok, de Kilo Papa 4, ¿tú estás en Puerto Rico? Ok, casi no te copio. Kilo Papa 4, ¿cuánto? Espérate, que estoy poniendo la antena para allá. Kilo Papa 4, repite el indicativo.
Kilo Papa 4, Uniform Victor Alpha.
Ok, ahora sí, muchachos, ahora sí. Kilo Papa 4, Uniform Victor Alpha. Abimael, saludos cordiales para ti, mi hermano. 5-9, ¿cuál es el?
De igual manera para acá, 5-9, mi hermano. Un placer inmenso.
Okay, I just moved my antenna to Puerto Rico and I switched it to 180 degrees. As you see, the antenna is pointing to the west, but it's actually pointing to the south east. Ok, gracias a Abimael. Un abrazo para ti, los tuyos. 73, este es Alex, Whisky 7 Hotel Unión.
Claro que sí, mi hermano. Un abrazo bien fuerte para allá. Abimael por acá.
Okidoki, gracias, muchachón. Un abrazo. Chao, chao. Okay, guys, this is Whiskey 7 Hotel United. I want to thank IIIS-TS890 to stopping by today into the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button right there. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you like. And also, check the link that I shared there for the chance to win this DMR radio. And on Monday at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, 22 Zulu, we will run the program that will pick a number, and the winning number will have the radio next week, of course, as far as I can. So I will ship that on Tuesday morning. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, 100 watts in the wire. Christian, thank you, K5YBY. Mr. Joe, Eric, Martin in California, Todd in Kentucky, the Todd from Pennsylvania, Marvin, Leslie right there, and Tualpa Castillo in Dominican Republic. Everybody right there in the chat, Judel in Suriname, Papa Phill, America, Bravo 8, Papa Romeo. Thank you so much for all of you guys, 73s. And don't forget, I'll be back, Monday, I'm transmitting, but I have the hangout tomorrow at 3 o'clock Eastern Time that you can come and join me on the Zoom conference, and we'll have a little bit of, relaxation tomorrow. And don't forget to stop by in 100 watts in the wire on Sunday night, 9 o'clock. I'll be right there telling the story how I came from the island of Cuba, escaping arrived. 73s, God bless you all, and God bless America. Ciao, ciao for everybody tonight. Have a good weekend, and happy Valentine's Day for all of you. All the best, and ciao, ciao.
Thank you. W4AUV, what's left of America?
Yes, man. America is the best country in the earth. This is Whiskey 7 Hotel United signing off and clear. God bless you all, and God bless America.